Welcome friends. In this important video I will do technical analysis of Aave token and I will give you next immediate short-term targets, next medium short-term targets and next very long-term and long-term targets for the Aave token. And please watch this video complete and please like this video and please share this video to all of your friends and please thumbs up the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel too. Here you can see this is the Aave CoinGecko page and here you can see Aave is currently trading at $452 level and it is currently down 7.5% in day chart. And here you can see this is the rank of Aave, which is 15, and this is the total market cap. This is the total 24-hour high and low prices, and here you can see this is the circulating supply of the Aave and this is the 24-hour trading volume. And here you can see some statistics, and here you can see in 30 days Aave gives you 300% approximately profit. And here you can see this is here you can see market dominance of the Aave is at 0.47% and total market cap is that. And here you can see 7 days high price was and 7 days low price. As previous 7 days it was $294 level and now it is at 7-day high was 502. And here you can see all-time high of Aave is $536 and all-time low is $26.02 level. And here you can see Aave gives 66% profit in 3 months. Here you can see, and this is the chart of Aave. Here you can see from October to 2021 February it gives I think 1600% profit. And if you want to Aave trade, then you can trade Aave from that from in these exchanges: Binance, OKX, Huobi Global, DigiFinex, and some other exchanges. And if you want to trade on Binance, then go to this video's description or go to in this video's comment section where you can get the link of this Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to get $600 bonus, and just click on this link. This is the Bybit exchange link. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And after depositing this, you will get $600 bonus absolutely free. Here you can see this is the Aave USDT chart and this is the day chart. Let me please focus to the content, and I will definitely going to tell you my immediate short-term targets and my long-term and medium-term targets too. And let me please show you all-time high of the Aave is at $545 level. Let me please, this is now the resistance level of Aave, and let me please show you some support levels and all-time low of the Aave. Here you can see these are some support levels for the Aave, and let me please here you can see this is the all-time low of Aave, $24.40 in the Binance 1-day chart. Here you can see. Now main question is that what is the immediate short-term target for the Aave coin, Aave token right now for me. For this we have to calculate this area. Here you can see this is creating a bull flag. After that, if Aave create this bull flag, let me please tell you the target of the bull flag, and let me please do this. And for this, please stay in the video. I am definitely going to give you many useful information and very important targets that will definitely Aave will hit, I think, in near future very soon. And here you can see this is perfect bull flag, I think so. And for that our next target will be let me please clone this and let me please put it. Our next target of Aave is $686 level. You can say $685 price is our next target of Aave. Here you can say $680 to $685 is the next target. Let me please show you my next target. For this we have to calculate this horizontal area where the Aave was, and we have to put this from the upper side of this. Once Aave break all-time high, then definitely, let me please show you, then definitely Aave will hit this level $842 or $830. This is the medium term, or you can say short-term target for me right now. And let me please tell you my long duration targets and my very long duration target for the Aave right now. Please stay in the video and please like this video and please share this video to all of your friends, with all of your friends. For this we have to take a tool of retracement, and here you can see, let me please tell you my next targets. The main question is that is it the safe time to buy Aave or hold Aave token right now? I think we have to wait. Maybe Aave coin's price down to this level, I think, which is at $340 level, and maybe it will go down to $290 level. This will be the good chance if we buy this. And if you want to buy Aave from that point, which is at $440 price level, then let me please tell you next targets, and I think we have to wait. Maybe it is going to hit 350 and 298, or you can say 300. These are the safest zone, I think, if you want to buy a Aave token. 350 and $300. These are the two price levels, I think, which are very safe. But you have to wait. If Aave goes down to this level, $350 or $300 level, then you have to buy it. If we buy, let me please show you the targets. If we buy Aave from that range, which is at that point, $300 level, if we buy Aave from that point, and we have to set our stop loss at that point. Here you can see, put your stop loss at $200 level, and you have to buy Aave from that level, I think, which is near 300, or you can say $300 level. Then our next target of Aave will give us, here you can see, let me please show you very realistic targets. 21% gain, and it will hit $350 and will give you 21% gain. After that, definitely it is going to hit this level and will give you 3% profit, and definitely after that it is definitely going to hit this level, which will give you 90% profit. Here you can see the risk is just 30%, and your reward will be, I think, very, very high, and it is 90%. And let me please show you next target of the Aave right now, and after that definitely it is going to hit this level and will give you 200%. This is the immediate short-term target for Aave token right now for me. And let me please show you my next 3 months target of Aave right now. After I think Aave definitely have to hit this level within 3 months, I think, and will give you approximately 383%, and definitely it is going to hit $1,384 level. Let me please show you my next 6 months target for the Aave coin right now, Aave token right now. I think Aave definitely have to hit this level, which is at $2,230 level, and definitely it will give you 680% profit, and your risk will be 30%. If you buy Aave from $300 price level and put your stop loss at $200 level, and after that definitely it will going to hit, definitely in near future, within 6 months, I think it is definitely going to hit $2,200 level, and definitely it is going to give you $650% profit, and your risk will be only 30%. I think this is very beautiful risk and reward, and this is the target of 6 months for Aave right now for me. And if you buy Aave if you hold Aave for the 1 year or 1.5 years, then our next, let me please tell you my next target, which is insane, I think, very, very beautiful target, and definitely it will hit this level, $3,000 level, which is very near, I think. Aave will have to hit this $3,000 level within one year or within 1.5 years. So please, this is not a investment or financial advice, because cryptocurrency is always very risky. This is just my technical knowledge that I am sharing with you. If you want to buy or if you want to hold Aave coins, then buy or hold at your own risk, because cryptocurrency is very risky. And if you hold Aave from $300 level and put your stop loss at $200 level, and after that, I think definitely it will give you 600% to 1000% profit within 6 months to 1.5 years. These are the targets for these are the long term and medium term targets for the Aave token right now for me. And if you want to trade Aave token on Binance, then please go to in this video's comment section where you can find the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. This is the video, friend. Please like this video and share this video to all of your friends. Thanks for the watching, friends. Take care.